What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have vz102667 if you want to check it out on the Vicrez website. Now, this is our Vicrez replacement AMPP rocker front lip, and this is for the Chrysler 300 SRT fitting 2016 to 2023 models. Now let me go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. Now in total, we should have 3 pieces as well as hardware. Now we do include hardware for install as well as assembly. And pretty much the only thing you'll need for install as well as assembly is a Phillips head screwdriver. Now inside this hardware bag, you'll have 2 different types of screws. You'll have larger screws and smaller screws. The larger screws are gonna be used for install and the smaller ones are gonna be used for assembly. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and separate these out real quick. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set the install screws off to the side because we won't be needing those. And then we should just be left with a couple small screws. Now let's go ahead and open these up and show you what they look like. So these are matte. So if you have a matte build theme, these will be perfect and great for your build theme, unlike some of our other gloss lips. Now here's the centerpiece. Now you should have 2 fins as well as the centerpiece, a left and a right for the fins. Now I'm not gonna show you a full build, but I'll show you a little bit of the assembly process. Now on this front middle piece here, you can see this little grooved piece as well. It has recessed holes on it. And then on your side corner piece, it'll have 2 little knobs to fit inside those recessed pieces, and they should just snap into each other, fairly simple. And then on the underside, you'll simply just take your included hardware, which would be the smaller screws, and then you just screw those in place with a Phillips head screwdriver. And this is what it should look like. Now I don't have them fully tightened down, so they're not sitting exactly flush, but this is what it should look like. And this is what it will fully look like whenever it's fully assembled. Now guys, if you want to see a full install video on this, consider dropping a comment, letting us know to do so. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, consider giving us a like, as well as hitting that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one. Peace.